Hello, I'm Big T. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Big T Cooking. Today we're going to cover a couple quick food facts. If this is your first time checking out my channel, please go ahead and take a second, hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure you smash that notifications bell. The next time I post a video, YouTube will let you know about it. Appreciate it. So today we're going to talk about a little bit about the difference between plastic cutting board and a wooden cutting board, because there's a little confusion as to some people think that, well, my plastic cutting board is not going to have the same ability to produce bacteria as a porous material wooden cutting board. Well, that's not necessarily true. The science community verdict on both of them, they both can be breeding grounds for bacteria without proper maintenance. So, knife grooves on plastic versus pores on wood, they're the same. So either way you look at it, when you're done using your cutting board, they can both produce bad bacteria. So make sure you clean them thoroughly. Okay. Now, moving on with some more random food facts. Americans, we're a special breed. Americans, the majority, spend more money on restaurant food than they do on food that they cook at home. Crazy. Okay. Now, here's a fun food fact for you that you may or may not even use this spice, but I'm sure you probably have heard of it. Saffron. S-A, how you spelling it? Saffron. Okay. This little spice right here, okay, Iran is the major producer of this product. Okay. This is produced from a flower. It's got three little red stamens in there. Okay. Now, these flowers, they got to be handpicked. Okay. For every 150 of these things, 150 of these flowers, okay, you get about 1 gram of this spice. Okay, that's produced. Now, it's a lengthy process. Because of the length of the process, because of the rarity of the flowers, this freaking spice runs around $3,000 a kilogram. How's that for cooking facts? Listen, I'm Big T. Peace out. Check me out. Look forward to my new up and coming food fact section. We're going to be posting these as often as we can. Probably going to be on Wednesdays. So my weekly reviews, cooking lessons, reviews, fun food facts. I'm going to be posting weekly videos, and the schedule's looking like Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Why don't y'all let me know? Let me know what you think. Anyways, I'm Big T, like I said. If you want to buy me a cold beer, hey, I sure could use another one. This one here is about empty. Go ahead and click on that buy me a beer button down there in that description. Click on it. You can buy me one if you like. If not, well, we'll see you on the next video. In the meantime, peace out. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day.